let's look at the 80-20 rule for sold out launches, guys. Here's where most people screw it up. If you can just wrap your mind around this, this should really excite you. Left-hand side here, here's what most people do when they launch their own training school or they're teaching live certifications or whatever like that. They spend 80% of their time on what I call the uptime marketing launch. So they say, okay, I'm going to sell my NLP certification from this date 6 weeks from now. And they go like a psychopath, marketing it, social media, videos, giving away early bird specials, just trying to fill up that launch. And sure, they might make some amounts of money, but what they're doing in their downtime between launches is they're missing a massive opportunity. And believe it or not, you make all the money during your downtime marketing compared to your launch. I'm going to show you how to do it that way. So what these people are doing, they've got their downtime marketing is they're waiting. They go spend all the money they made. They go on holidays. They have time off. And they're basically just waiting for launch. They're making no money in between. And it's such a headache just to fill up those launches every single time. They go from relaxed to panicking, okay? This is what I call short-term failure. They wait for the next launch and then start to market it. What we're gonna do is over here, guys. I'm gonna make it so fucking simple. Nobody does this. 80% of your time is gonna be in your downtime marketing between your launches. If you can nail between your launches, when you launch your certification or your event, it'll sell out within just days. Like I said, we did a 3-day launch, $140,000. I gave myself 8 weeks, 6 or 8 weeks to market that launch, sold out within 3 days. We stopped all the sales, didn't need any more, okay? It wasn't because of that 3 days I went crazy with all my marketing. It was all the downtime stuff that I did that made the launch sell out extremely quickly. And right now our launches last for about a week, for about 3 days to a week, up to about 14 days as the longest. Okay, so could you imagine launching, making $100,000 in 14 days, and you can just sit back and do your normal marketing and just wait for the launch to happen? That's the way I want to do it instead of panicking right before. So downtime marketing, always marketing for the next launch. We don't wait. I start moving on it straight away. I'm utilizing the downtime marketing correctly to sell out the next event over and over and over. I'm always thinking long-term. I've actually started to market my ACH training. Like I said, we're in September now. It's going to be in February 2023. I've already started to put things in place for it. I'm already starting to market for it now. So when I finally put out the dates, it sells out straight away. I'm going to show you guys how to do the same. So we're going to be over here, and that's how you're going to dominate this industry. All right, let's get to everyone's favorite, the program overview, guys. Then we're going to get into the actual content action items. There are going to be 2 phases for this program, okay? The first phase is what I call your uptime, which is your launch phase. I want you guys from this point forward, moving into your next launch within the next 6 to 8 weeks and start marketing this thing straight away. Make money straight away, okay? And I'll talk about why we need 6 to 8 weeks to market. I'll show all that, but I want you to get there as soon as possible, okay? So we're going to do the uptime launch phase first, which we're going to go through the systems and the setup for your launches, dates for your launches, differentiation, price and value, automated enrollments, community and support, uptime social media, sales, strategy call, and the script I give you, the tech, the teaching, the Zoom, the recording, the upsell prep, training platform for your students and referral systems. I'm going to give you the entire 7-figure launch training company, okay? After that, then we'll move into the downtime upsell phase. So people say, well, don't you sell, don't you have an upsell at the end of your launch? Like if you do a 3-day training, maybe on the 3rd day I'll do my upsell. Yes, you do. Okay, and I'll show you that. But what I would rather you guys do as well is have things in the background that can sell between your launches as well, because that's where you'll make a massive bulk of your income as well. That's the downtime. So for that, we'll change it up and I'll show you guys how to set up the systems and the setup for your upsells, which are evergreen, that can sell anytime. Automated enrollments, downtime social media. It's massively different compared to uptime social media. Online courses, masterclasses, Udemy course creation, long-term evergreen sales, scaling, and next launch prep. So we're going to do both sides of the equation. This is a big program, guys, okay? All right, guys, so congratulations, made it through the first video. This is probably one of the longer ones. The next one, we'll just dive straight into the action items and the content. It's time to stop guessing, guys, hoping and wondering. It's time to become the apex predator. Let's get your 7-figure training company up and running. Let's get to your first launch as quickly as humanly possible. Make a big impact in this industry. And like I said, look at the maths. $1,000 course, get 1,000 people, you've made 7 figures. All right. So guys, I'll see you on the next video.